Hello everyone, this video is for anyone looking to book their PTE test, whether it's for study, work or PR purposes. I will walk you through the entire process step by step so you can easily book your test without any confusion. So let's get started. So to book your PTE test, first you need to visit the official Pearson PTE website, which is mypte.pearsonpte.com. If you have already an account, simply sign in. If not, you can quickly create one by signing up. Once you are logged in, you will be directed to your dashboard. If you have booked a PTE test before, it will show up here. In my case, I have taken the PTE test before coming to Canada, so it is displayed here. Now just below that you will see an option called Find Your Test. Here you need to select your goal. Since I am currently in Canada and planning to apply for PGWP post graduation work permit, so I will select work. If you are outside Canada or booking the test for study purposes, you can just select study and it will show you the option to book the PTE Academic test. Similarly, if you are applying for PR, you can select settlement. The booking purpose is same for all options, study, work or PR. You just need to ensure that you select the correct goal based on your purpose. Since I'm applying for PGWP, I'll select work and it will automatically show me the test I need, which is PTE Core. Then I'll click on the book PTE Core. When you click on the book PTE Core, it will be redirected to you to the booking questions page. Here you will need to provide some basic information about yourself. So first, select the language you mostly speak at home. For example, I'm from Nepal and I'll select Nepali. Next, you will see a section about your identification document. Make sure to check that the box says I have read the ID policy. Then select your ID type. I'm using my valid passport, so I'll select valid passport. After that, choose your country where your ID was issued. In my case, it was Nepal. And enter your ID number as it appears on your document. Finally, check the I agree box and review the terms and conditions also. Just below that, you will find a few additional questions. For example, how did you hear about PTE Core? What best describes your current situation? And why are you taking the test? Since I'm applying for PGWP, I will select post-graduation work permit. You will also need to select your occupation sector. Once you have filled out all the information, just click on next button. On the next page, you will see the PTE policies. I recommend taking some time to read through this carefully. They include important details about your test center rules, rescheduling, cancellation, and retake policies. For example, if your test is more than 40 days away, you can reschedule it for free. However, you can only reschedule a single test appointment up to 6 times. If your test is within 7 days, you will not be able to reschedule or cancel it without losing your fee. There is also information about special considerations, like if you are unable to attend due to illness or an emergency at the day of your test, just let them know with your reasons and they will help you with the reschedule. Once you have reviewed the policies, just click on agree and it will take on to the find an appointment page. Here you can search for the test center near you. You can either use your current location or manually enter an address. After clicking search, you will see a list of available test centers with dates and times. Click on the calendar icon to select your preferred date, and in the screen you can see some buttons are disabled, means they are fully booked and you cannot select that date. You can only select the available dates. I'm booking my test at Pearson Professional Center, which is in Toronto Midtown, and I'm selecting April 19, 2025. And we can also able to select the time. you will see there are list of a time. Just select the time which you want, and once you have chosen your date and time, click on book. Then you will be redirected to the cart page, and here you will see your exam type, appointment details, test center location, and the total cost including tax. If you are booking from outside Canada, the price may vary, but since I'm inside Canada, my total is $395. After checking all the details, just click on proceed to checkout. On the next page, you will need to enter your payment and billing information, including your name, country, address, postal code, phone number, and email. Once you have filled all the details, click on next button. You will then be asked to agree to the terms and conditions before entering your card details to complete the payment. After completing your payment, you will see a confirmation page that says you are booked. You will also receive an email confirmation with all the details of your test, including the date, time, test center location. Now if you click on the back button, you will see your booked PTE test in the dashboard. If you ever need to reschedule your test, you can just do by clicking on reschedule button on your dashboard, as long as it is within allowed time frame. And that's it. This is how you can successfully book your PTE test. If you have any questions or face any issues during the process, feel free to reach out to me on WhatsApp, Instagram, or Facebook. I'll do my best to help you. Thanks for watching this video and good luck to your PTE test.